Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Cryptomania app. Alright, let's begin. First, when you open Cryptomania, you'll see various options such as dividends, daily rewards, challenges, auction, top investors, premium, and trades. You can also start trading and add funds to your account through the shop section. Here, you can purchase different bags like Super Bag, Mega Bag, Ultra Bag, or Hyper Bag to buy currencies within the app. However, it's important to note that Cryptomania is a trading simulator app. This means it simulates how trading works but does not allow actual trading with real money. The app is designed for learning purposes and does not involve real currencies. Therefore, since you do not have real money within the app, you cannot withdraw any funds. Think of it as in-game currency. You can use it to learn and practice trading strategies, but cannot convert it to actual cash. If you're interested in boosting your experience within the app, you can still purchase resources or currencies for use in the simulator. So that's basically how it works with withdrawals on Cryptomania. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.